Alright, this time I put a plastic twist tie in there.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, what?
What does that smell?
It's the smell of a burning bag.
Andrew, you're gonna mess up my microwave.
No, I'm not! Okay, 10. Oh, that was... Okay, that was... Oh, that was just the plastic twist tie on fire.
No more.
Yes, more.
Andrew, you're gonna tear up my microwave now. You're gonna spend $50 and buy me another one. And I mean it.
That was cool. That was worth it. Oh. Just don't tell anybody. Okay. Okay. The plastic twist tie was a bad idea. Like crap, did the end melt? Got a handle for it, you see? Make it into a ring, keychain, whatever. That ain't coming off, I'm telling you that ain't coming off. Yeah, that is not coming off at all. Okay, so, yeah, I just swung. Yeah, that is definitely not coming off. Okay, well, I think this is the last time because my mom won't let me have the microwave anymore.
Andrew!
I'm... Okay.